happy Sunday, and it's a wet Sunday, rainy Sunday.
And just like she, but they are dying in the same part today, right? Just only yesterday.
What are you eating, guys?
KFC wrap.
KFC wrap. Yum.
KFC wrap.
Yum.
If you might prefer it was soggier.
Late na kaming nagising. Sarap kasi ng panahon. Pero ang aga nitong... What time you wake up, Isaiah na? I think you wake up early again. Huh?
I started reading books.
You started reading book the moment you wake up?
Yeah. And to vlog too.
Oh, you wanna vlog?
Hi.
Hello.
And today we're eating.
We're eating, yes.
On the rainy day.
On a rainy day, yes. Where's Lola?
There's a Google said this emergency on this man.
Emergency. Excuse you.
Emergency gets back.
So we're having KFC
And
porridge,
The gun
wrap.
The boys.
Pero gusto ko to at saka yung ano, yung ladies choice tuna spread. Yun yung pinang-aanuhan ko ngayon. Lagi kong kinakain. Pero I wanna try this one first. Alam nyo ba, ang pinaglihian ko kay Zion at saka kay Ezra ito. KFC porridge. Ito lagi kinakain ko nung buntis ako. Ay, meron palang ilaw. I cannot open the help. I telling them, when I'm pregnant with Zion and Ezra, I always eat this KFC porridge. Pupunta pa kami ng Haugang para kumain nito.
Mom, what is
But
that?
I don't like the toppings.
Yeah, but it depends also. Sometimes they.
What is that
place-
topic?
The taste is different a bit. Oh. I spoon.
Hi.
Hi.
Today we eating and also my name is Bodo.
Your name is Bulldozer?
Yeah.
Oh, hello there, Bulldozer.
And we are eating
You're eating
at the kitchen site.
at the construction site.
Mm.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
How many games?
Uy, uy, party, party.
Haha.
So good morning. It's a Sunday, a rainy Sunday. It's been raining since the early morning, I think. Yeah. So I am heading out now by myself for lunch appointment with my ex-colleagues. So I'll vlog again when I reach the place. We're having a buffet. Let me just make sure that I got the address correct. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm at the place, sort of. I have to cross the other side then. Let's take a quick run. Okay, now how to get to the place. Okay, so now let me find the place. Still a bit lost. Okay. Okay, so I'm at Promenade or Promenade Station. I'm heading over to Millennium Walk. There's both sides, two sides to it. So I think this should be the correct way. Yeah. So the lunch appointment with my ex-colleagues are at 12:30. And now it's already about 12:35. Yeah. So just nice. Then let's see what food they have there. It's supposed to be a buffet.
Grabe, itsura ko. Alam niyo ba kanina, may kumatok dito sa sa bahay. magpapaano pala sila survey from NUS. Ayan, for abuse awareness. So, meron silang survey, 20 minutes survey. And then after nun, grabe, ang dami, 100 plus paid questions. Pero after nun, binigyan ako ng $20 na na NTUC voucher. So, meron tayong $20 pang natin, pang grocery. Ayan. Kakain na kami. It's already 1:30. Dapat kanina pa kami kumain, pero yung survey parang 20 minutes ko at ang ginawa. So, yun. Kain tayo. Sarap yung ulam natin ngayon. Pompano. Okay. Pompano for lunch. Kain tayo.
So this is at CONRAD CENTENNIAL Hotel. There's one of the cafes around with cozy seats. Parking over there. That's over at the hotel. Should be further down there, from what I remember. Opposite Suntec City. Yeah, I think this should be the place. So let me find the people. I think I saw them already. There's food here, outside, inside, everywhere. Good morning again. So now it's today lah. It's Monday morning. Yep, I sent Zayan to school. Went to get some breakfast and bought some stuff from FairPrice. Yep. So yesterday I didn't vlog the ending part where I was done with the lunch gathering with my ex-colleagues. So the place had nice food. Then after we finished, then we went to have some they had coffee, I had my Milo, chit chat, and it ended up quite late. So I reached home like 7. Yeah, so it was a nice meetup. Then I think they will meet up maybe in another year's time after my former manager comes back from China. So alright, let's go home and get the small boy his breakfast. I think he's gonna wake up soon.
Lunchtime. Bulalo ba to? Ha? Nilaga.
Alright, so good morning. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. I'm out for my firefighting training for my company. It's a refresher course for the whole team. It was a yearly event. So yeah, this room side view. We are just next to the airport actually. You see further down that side. Let me do the zoom. The Changi Airport. We're training by the training services. Okay, so we're now preparing for the start of the activities. Yeah. I'm using their coverall here instead of my own company one. Then I'm going to get my specs, the other specs. It's a rainy day outside. Hopefully the weather will stay good. So, alright. So this is the tea break. morning tea break just started. This is my set because I was one in charge, so I got this.
Bili kaming prutas. Daming prutas. Bumili kami ng aming favorite roll cake. So, favorite namin tong chocolate at saka pandan. Yan yung mga kuy. Bumili din kami ng kuy. Bumili na pala kami ng prutas. Lansones, jackfruit. Where is Lola and Tita? Ay, Lola and Tita. Lola and Ezra. Oh, so many cakes.
So many.
So many.
Wait.
Which one is your favorite?
Papa.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye. Bye.